Our vision at Kymanox is to help our clients navigate some of the pitfalls and perils of both early and late stage development. And so that starts in early design stages, that follows on in development and late stage testing, and all of the other things that we're doing in human factors and assembly. We want to make a product that our client is going to be successful in submitting and also commercializing on the market.
The King of Prussia facility is really where a lot of the hands-on work happens at Kymanox. What I love about our Makerspace is it allows us to get immediately hands-on with our products. We can move out of the digital space and go straight to hands-on, tangible products that we can evaluate in the real world.
Our CGxP Lab really helps clients accelerate their product development and commercialization. We use a cross-functional team approach where we're really understanding the client and their design inputs so that through our test method validation strategy, we can really minimize all those risks so that the design verification testing generates quality data.
In the Usability Studio, we've been conducting formative human factor studies. We also can do validation human factor studies, pilot studies as well, or supplemental studies. And we're all able to do that right here in-house versus having to go to another facility to do that.
Ultimately, we want to serve patients, and we want patients to have access to the best medical technology that's out there. That is really our goal, finding creative ways to accelerate programs, reach milestones more quickly, submit to regulatory bodies, and prove safety and effectiveness of these medical technologies for our clients so that they can get them to their patients as quickly as possible, because patients deserve better.